Hey, this is Manny Fresh with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to pair and sync a new Firestick remote. So my Firestick remote broke, so I bought a replacement online for about $15, which you could do the same thing. Now this process might be tedious and it may take about maybe 5-10 minutes. And the reason for that is you may have to do the same steps about 8 to 10 times. So let me show you how to pair the remote. Basically, with the Firestick or the FireTV turned on, and make sure that you have the right batteries the right way, which is the plus side going up. And basically, if you ever sync any remote, you know how there's different codes that you could use for the same brand of TV. So essentially, we're gonna repeat the same process here, because when we try to pair, it's gonna try to pair it using different information, and it may take up to 10 tries. So all you have to do basically is hold the home button for about 20 seconds. Okay, and there we go. We have remote connected, and now I should be able to move around with the Firestick remote. So I got lucky, it worked the first time. You may have to do this about 10 times. And basically hold the home button of the remote for about 20 seconds. And if you don't see the remote connected option after 20 seconds, go ahead and release it. Wait 5 seconds, press it again for 20 seconds, and keep doing that tedious process until you get the remote connected. You don't have to go to the settings or anything, it does it automatically. So that's how you sync the remote. And if you have any issues or if it doesn't work after you do it 10 times, you can leave your comment below. Keep in mind that there is different type of Fire Sticks. There's the first gen, second gen, 4K, the FireTV, the FireCube. But this essentially should work in all of them. If it doesn't work with this one is the second generation. If it doesn't work for you, then leave a comment below and I'll definitely do some research for you and help you out with that. Well, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.